Vogue, 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 now pose. No me gusta, no me gusta. ¡Ay! ¿Está igual? ¿Sí? Es que es difícil. Vogue, 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 now pose. Pose, pose. Work those hands, bachata people. It is Pride Month. And what does that mean? You know it. It is the month to promote dignity, equality, visibility, and explain the culture of the LGBTQ community and how it affects you, without you even realize it. As you know it is a cultural month, and I want to explain to you what actually hand performance is. A lot of people have been texting me and Felipe and asking us both how to do the hand things that the pros do when dancing bachata. It is widely spread in bachata dance, and other dance too really, to do the hand and arm movements for styling. And a lot of people think this is from the bachata world. Nope, a huge amount of those hand movements and positions are actually Vogue. Do these moves look familiar to you? Let's just check this out. Well, if they did, you deserve to know where they come from. What if I show you the same moves next to these ones?
Es a tener las manos limpios para que uno...
Tú eres mi único pez, no es necesario que...
Now we start seeing different things. Honestly, it goes by different names, but they all come from the dance style called Vogue. And yes, like the Madonna song. Hit it! Gotta love editing, right guys? So Vogue is actually a Latino Black LGBTQ+ community dance that has influenced a lot other different dance styles. But you need to know where it really comes from. It has many different elements like hands, spins, dips, duck walks, catwalk, floor performance, loads of that. And if you'd like to know a little bit of history, I will keep it short. I promise I will keep it short. It was basically born between the 60s and the 80s as a movement for self-expression and identity for the queer community. Trans, gay, and queer created dance to provide a safe environment for those socially marginalized because of stuff like gender, sexuality, and race, which is ridiculous, but was basically a way to bring acceptance in the community. You might think Madonna created, but actually no, she was just the first one to help it make it mainstream. Then came really Gaga, Beyonce, and a lot others, which we are very happy with, we have to say. Now, if you want to go deeper into the dance and the culture, you actually have many documentaries and series explaining the history, such as Paris is Burning, RuPaul's Drag Race, and the most recent one, Pose, which I am completely in love to. I already finished season 3. Anyway, now you might be wondering, why is the name like the magazine Vogue? Why Vogue? Well, the dance was actually inspired by the poses the models on those magazines transitions from pose to pose, and as a response of not being accepted in the white heterosexual community. The dance was born basically to kind of undermine and overthrow the glorification of the white femininity, beauty and sexuality, and class. The LGBTQ+ marginalized culture created their own dance and form of expression that later influenced a lot of the dance we know and dance today, like bachata or salsa. So with this video, guys, I just really wanted to show you that a lot of things that you actually want to learn for your bachata and your salsa, such as arm style and hand movements, they actually come from the LGBTQ plus culture and dance style. And what perfect month to teach you guys about this. Now you all know where to look for those arms and hand styling. You go check some Vogue videos online and you like it. Keep it up. I really hope was helpful and we showed you in this month of love a little bit of how the LGBTQ plus community culture influences in your everyday life. So, as you know, I'm Tiago and I already do roll rotation. Do you?